So, how can you stop apps from automatically opening on startup on Windows? So, the easy step is you need to open up your task manager. So, you need to right click on the taskbar. Here, you can see the task manager. So, you're gonna open up. This is going to open the task manager. You're gonna click startup. So, startup. And here, you're going to see all the application that will open on startup. So, you're gonna see here the status here. So you need to disable which program or apps that you don't want to start up. So here, I don't want to start up the NN test, so I'm gonna disable it. So disable the updates. So that's pretty much it. So on how to disable apps on startup on Windows. So yeah, thank you.